led you to believe it was easy when it wasn't. Maybe I made you think my highlights started at the free throw line and not in the gym. Maybe I made you think that every shot I took was a game winner. Like my game was built on the flash and not fire. Maybe it's my fault that you didn't see that failure gave me strength, that my pain was my motivation, and not something I worked for every single day of my life. Maybe I destroyed the game. Or maybe you're just making excuses.